Hello everyone, welcome back to the Login It channel. Today I will be showing you how you can hide Reddit account from the Google search. Now to begin with, first of all you need to open the application. You open the app on your mobile device. You need to get logged in into your account first. For that you need to provide your correct email address, that is your username and the password. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the profile icon at this left side of your home screen. Then you scroll down and you can see the setting option. You tap on it. Now you will see a lot of options inside the settings. Here you need to go to general and tap on account setting. Inside account setting, you can make changes to your account. Now inside account setting, you scroll down to a very little and there you will see in personalized recommendation show up in search result. Now you uncheck that. Now Google and other search engine won't show your Reddit profile on the search result and your Reddit account will be hidden from the Google search. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned how you can hide Reddit account from the Google search. If this video was useful to you, please like and subscribe the Login It channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.